Good morning, students. Today in this lecture we are going to start with new module, that is module number 2. It is related with material cost accounting. So before going to discuss in detail regarding material cost, let us look at what have been content of module that you are going to learn. So here are the first topic, that is related with store procedure. Under store procedure, we are going to discuss in detail regarding the receipts and issue of stock. Now the second one, it is related with inventory control. Under this topic, we are going to learn in detail, that is different stock levels, economic order quantity and ABC classification. So further, here are the some practical topic of this module. Under practical topic, we are going to learn about that economic order quantity, inventory turnover ratio and preparation of stock ledgers. Means you have the practical sum on these three that topics as well as theory also. So let us begin with the main introduction of material cost. So here is the basic introduction on material cost. The material cost is defined as cost of material of any nature used for the purpose of production of product or a service. As this concept we have already discussed in detail in our previous module, that the material is the basic requirement for production of any product or rendering the services. Even when we are going to calculate the total cost of any product, the material cost is the first and most prime cost in the total cost. It can be direct material and indirect material. Means material cost can be a direct material because this is a part of the prime cost, and also it can be an indirect material. This is the part of the overhead cost. Institute of Cost Works Account has issued cost accounting standards, that is the cost accounting standard 6, that is dealing with the material cost. Clear? Here is the definition which is given by the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. According to that, the material cost is the cost of commodity supplied to an undertaking. Means it is supplied for the manufacturing, it is supplied for the giving the servicing, or material that supplied for the converting raw material into the finished goods. So the any kind of the material, that the cost of commodity that supplied to the undertaking. Now next here is with the connected material cost, two more concept you have to learn. First is the stores. Store in a company comprises many other items beside that raw materials such as tools, equipments, maintenance, repairs items, factory supplies, components, fixtures, sometimes finished goods, and partly finished goods also included with the scope of this item. Clear? As this is connected with the store department, which is maintain the record of the all basic raw material, which is the finished or semi-finished, and other than that, as we have known that there are the so many other materials are required for maintaining the machinery. मशीनरी को मेंटेन करने के लिए या मशीनरी को इंस्टॉल करने के लिए टूल्स लगते हैं, अदर इक्विपमेंट्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, या मशीनरीज को दैट रनिंग पोजीशंस में मेंटेन करने के लिए उनको देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द ऑयलिंग और द रिपेयरिंग मटेरियल. सो ऑल द मटेरियल्स आर kept in the store department. Now next is the inventory. It means that is stock. Inventories means the raw material, work in progress goods, and that complete finished goods that are considered to be the portion of the business assets that are ready or will be ready for sale. So the inventory means that, as you know very well, that it is the main assets, current assets. as an stock हम लोग asset side दिखाते हैं. So here is the inventory included not only that the opening stock and closing stock, the basic raw material, but it is also that the opening or closing stock of the work in progress, or that the opening or closing stock the finished goods. Clear? So all that are the combined constituted as the portion of business assets that are the ready or will be ready for the sale. So here the next one is the material control. Why there is a need arise over the control of material stock. Clear? Now the material, as we have discussed, that it is the basic requirement of any product, but there is a different kinds of material used in different kinds of the product. Now for example, as usual we are taking the example of our mobile. So when we are purchasing a mobile, we are getting the different accessories with the mobile, that is the ear cord, then charger, adapter, USB cable. All these accessories we have received with the mobile, but the cost of such accessories is the less important than that battery inbuilt in the mobile. Once the mobile is damaged या battery damage हो गया, तो we have to go at the service station of the particular company of mobile for repairing such battery. But if we have that damage the ear cord or charger, the such accessories we can arrange frequently from nearby the shop. So this is what that much difference between the cost of that materials or the accessories used in a product. So the material cost as defined by the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants as the functions of the ensuring that sufficient stocks are retained in stock to meet all the requirements without carrying unnecessary stock. As we have discussed that the stock is the main part of the business assets, that is the current assets, which is converted into the liquidity, means converted into the cash within a short duration of the time. So unnecessary stock carrying करने का मतलब है that we have to block a amount of the business capital का amount block हो जाता है because of carrying unnecessary stock. जो stock अभी need नहीं है, unnecessary stocking नहीं होना चाहिए. So material control का basic that functioning क्या है? To sufficient stock retain in stock to meet all the requirements without carrying unnecessary stock. Material control involves that the planning, organizing and controlling the receipt, issue and storage. We have the practical topic on these three factors, that is the receipt, issue and storage, which we are going to discuss in our further lecture. That the receipt, issue and material of the materials so to achieve the objective of efficiency and economy. Now here are the main objective of material control: to avoid understocking, कि कभी अंडरस्टॉकिंग नहीं होना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस में मटेरियल अवेलेबल होना चाहिए. सो मीन्स अंडरस्टॉकिंग की वजह से हमारा काम रुक सकता है, देयर इज अ स्टॉपेज ऑफ द वर्क. सो टू अवॉइड सच अंडरस्टॉकिंग, प्रोवाइड कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई ऑफ मटेरियल सो दैट द प्रोडक्शन इज नॉट हेल्ड अप. To avoid overstocking also, to reduce carrying costs and avoid surplus and obsolete stock, कि overstocking भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि unnecessary हम लोगों को वो place का charges भरना पड़े, और to avoid the surplus of the material. To obtain material of required quality at minimum cost from a reliable sources. So through the material control we can easily obtain the quality of material at minimum cost from a reliable sources. Means through this material control that we achieve that the material at the minimum cost पे हम लोगों को material मिल सकता है, and also that quality of the material. To minimize the total cost, that is the ordering cost and carrying cost. As we have discussed this कि ये जो दो concept है ordering cost and carrying cost, we are going to discuss in detail under the topic of economic order quantity. जो economic order quantity है उसके अंडर में हम लोग ये topic discuss करने वाले हैं. Clear that? Next one is to avoid wastages and losses during the storage and uses. Clear? So this is the very important, as we have discussed, that our basic concept of cost accounting is what? The control over the expenses, कि जितना हो सके हम लोगों को कॉस्ट को रिडक्शन करना है. वो पॉसिबल कब हो सकता है? कि जब हम लोग फुल्ली कंट्रोल करें वेस्टेजेस ऑफ मटेरियल और द लॉसेस ऑफ द मटेरियल ड्यूरिंग. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ये कब होता है? जब उसको स्टोरेज किया जाता है या उसको यूजेस किया जाता है. इन दोनों दैट टाइम पे क्या होता है? मटेरियल के वेस्टेजेस होने के चांसेस होते हैं. सो ऑलवेज द कंट्रोल ओवर द वेस्टेजेस. वेस्टेजेस को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाएगा? बाय यूजिंग द अपडेट टेक्नोलॉजी, बाय ट्रेन द लेबर्स टू यूज द मटेरियल tactfully, and that losses, control over the losses by applying the suitable process methods for the production of a product. To maintain proper and update record of the inventory, then we have to come to know properly that the कितना हम लोगों को material cost that we have paid for that the production of a product. So for maintaining the proper and update record of the inventory, management can, now here is the management can take easily the proper decision or making the policies for inventory control. Clear? So provide the required information to the management for taking the inventory decision. So for maintaining these the proper record or updated records of inventories का maintain करने से क्या होगा? It's give the required information to the management for taking the inventory decision. So there is a very much that the basic requirements need arise for the material control. So here are the main objectives. First, to avoid the understocking and overstocking, obtain the quality of the material at minimum cost, then minimize that the ordering cost and carrying cost, as we have discussed कि ये concept हम लोग future में that under the heading of economic order quantity that the topic that we have going to discuss in detail. To avoid the wastages and losses, then make that update record of inventories for making the management for taking the inventory decisions. Clear here? So up to that this topic is over. Further topics will continue in our next lecture.